Today, we're back with our air fryer, and we're taking it down chicken tender lane with the help of the sponsor of this video, ButcherBox. These 3 quick recipes are made with 6 ingredients or less that you might already have, and they should work for almost any diet. So let's jump right into it. We're gonna start this video off with some low carb and keto friendly almond flour chicken tenders. To make these, take out a bowl and add into it 56 grams of almond flour, 20 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, and some seasoning. I went with a tablespoon of ranch seasoning, which is 9.6 grams. Mix those ingredients together, put them off to the side, and take out another bowl. Add 2 large whole eggs and 15 grams of mustard into that bowl. Mix those together. From here, take out a pound of chicken tenderloins or cut up chicken breasts and put them into your egg mix. Find your air fryer basket or whatever you're using and coat it with some non-stick cooking spray. Next, you'll want to remove each piece of chicken from your egg mix, let the excess drip off, and roll it around in your dry mix like this. Repeat until your mixes are gone. Make sure to fully coat them. The last thing you want to do before the oven to maximize the crispiness is to coat the top of each piece with some more non-stick cooking spray. Put them into your air fryer on 400 for around 12 to 14 minutes. I don't usually flip mine, but you can flip yours halfway through cooking if you want. You can also bake these, just make sure to flip them halfway through. I'll put those instructions on the website. Ready for the next recipe? We're taking this one back to breakfast, making some chicken tenders with pancake mix. To start this one, you're gonna need a pound of chicken. Today I'm using chicken tenderloins for all of these recipes, which brings us to the sponsor of this video, ButcherBox. If you've never heard of ButcherBox before, it's a meat delivery subscription that comes frozen in a box with dry ice. All meat is humanly raised, beef is 100% grass-fed and pasture-raised, chicken is free-range, pork is crate-free raised, and the seafood is wild-caught. The goal of ButcherBox is to make high-quality meat accessible to as many people as possible. Super convenient, and everything I've tried has been delicious. Plus, it's nice to always have a freezer full of meat. If y'all want to check them out, you can do so by using the link in the description below. New members will receive a free pack of bacon in every order for the life of their membership and $20 off each box for their first 5 months of membership. So if you love bacon and want free bacon for life, then now's the time to give it a try. Put your chicken off to the side and add 2 large whole eggs into a bowl. Give those a quick mix. In another bowl, add 80 grams of pancake mix, 30 grams of breadcrumbs, or really anything that'll give it a crunch, like crushed up chips, crackers, or even goldfish. 20 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of some seasoning. I went with a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning for this recipe, which was 4 grams. Mix those together until everything is incorporated. Add your chicken into your egg mix, coat your basket with some non-stick cooking spray, and coat each piece of chicken with your dry mix. Repeat till your mix is gone, then put them into your air fryer on 400 for around 12 to 14 minutes. For this last recipe, we're stealing the crunch from our salad. Crouton chicken tenders are here. To make this one, you're gonna need 70 grams of your choice flavor croutons. Put those into your food processor and process them until they look like this. Add that crouton mix into a bowl with 20 grams of grated Parmesan cheese and half a teaspoon of garlic powder, which is 2 grams. Mix those together. In another bowl, can you guess? 2 large whole eggs mixed together. Add your pound of chicken into your egg mix, coat your basket with some non-stick cooking spray, and coat each piece of chicken with your dry mix. I'd say repeat, but I think you already know that by now. Put your chicken into the air fryer on 400 for around 12 to 14 minutes. While those are cooking, it's time for the tip of the day. Did you know the best and easiest way to check if whatever you're making is done is to use one of these, a food thermometer. They're cheap, easy to take with you, and take just a second to use. Today we made chicken, so the temp we're looking for is 165, though some people like to pull it at 160 since it tends to cook a bit more while resting. I don't like to play those games with chicken, so I always pull it at 165. If you're looking for a good food thermometer, I'll throw a link to mine in the description below. Let's see how our recipes turned out. P.S. There's a little error in this video that I kept in. If you can figure it out, I'll send you a shaker bottle. Hint, it has to do with one of the dishes. Which one will you try? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, you can also scale any of these recipes on our website, theproteinchef.co. So if you'd like to make more for meal prep or less for a single meal, you can easily do that. With that said, thank you to Ben and Merrick for becoming members of this channel. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching, and to Butcher Boss for sponsoring this video. Hit that thumbs up button if you like these quick recipes. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're coming up to 400,000. Follow us on socials at The Protein Chef. And of course, stay healthy. That most newer dishwashers have two clamps on the side of the top rack to either raise or lower it, which will allow you to fit bigger things into it, like a blender or food processor.